and 2 screws. Okay. And this guy, you pull the bottom, and this thing should just pop out. And oh, there is a Homelink plug. And make sure that this mirror plugs into that. Voila. I'm gonna do a test. You know, plug it in, make sure that, yeah, look at that. Got the compass, auto dimming, upgrade mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. We know, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this for now, get it out of the way. This is one of those super plugs that you can't get to. There we go. Remove this out of the way. Now, if you have eyesight, I'm sure it's the same deal. You're just gonna have the eyesight cover you gotta take off. But since we got a base model, this is pretty simple. Let me get this down a little bit. So I would say, let's go ahead and remove this cover. There's a little plastic cover around the mirror. There we go. Pop out, and looks like, from the looks of it, it's got these little this little doohickey right here. You pull on it, it slides right out. Push on that, if this is the style mirror you have, and it'll slide right off. Pretty neat design, actually. So, Homelink mirror, slide it on here like so. And then this one's, the way the install goes, it has a T15 Torx screw right here that mounts it together. Okay. T15 was a little loose, so it might be a T20 or T17 if they have it. Now these wire needs to go in underneath the headliner. You pull it back enough, you can get this liner, you can get this plug through this side like that. So get the mirror out of the way. All right, I'm liking this a lot more. And then there's a plug right here, guys. Just plug this puppy in. It's really all that there is to it, honestly. And then there's a little cover that covers these wires. I'm gonna have to go find one, but for the most part, you know, got myself a nice upgraded mirror. And what you can do, plug this guy back in. Oh, there it is. And it looks like these guys slide that way and then clip in. So just slide this in this way, and I didn't catch it all the way. Okay, and then we'll put the 2 screws back in, as so. Two screws back in. These are all working. Mirror is working. Compass is working. It's a Homelink upgrade mirror on a Forester. Let me get the little cover. I think I have one in my office that's saved for this little wire, and it'll make this thing perfect. Okay. This is what I went and got. This thing is a deal to try to get around these wires. Make it look really nice and professional. And there we go. Look at that. Boom. Mirror wires are covered. It's all looking perfect. So this is how you do an upgrade on the if you get a base model Forester, or just got a Forester that didn't come with the Homelink and you want to do an upgrade to Homelink to have your garage door opener, your compass, dimming, auto light dimming on your mirror upgrade. We sell them. Just make sure when you call to buy one, make sure that the mounting plate, sometimes they're different. This one's actually pretty simple. That's really how easy it is to install and upgrade a Homelink Mirror on a Subaru Forester these days. Subscribe to us, stay tuned. We got some more upgrades we're gonna do to this car, try to get this thing a little more desirable, I guess. I don't know. It's got 9,000 miles if you want it. Give us a call. That's gonna wrap it up for today, and then look forward to some more videos next week. All right.